Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 31st, 2024, and we're diving into Ingersoll Rand's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ingersoll Rand has just released their third quarter 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack. The company, known for its mission-critical flow creation and industrial solutions, has reported record orders and revenue this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Ingersoll Rand reported a net revenue of $1.861 billion for the third quarter of 2024, which is a 7% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is impressive, driven by strong demand across their segments. The net income attributable to Ingersoll Rand was $222 million, translating to earnings of 54 cents per share. However, on an adjusted basis, the EPS was 84 cents, reflecting their operational efficiencies and cost management strategies.
That's a significant improvement. How did they manage to achieve such profitability?
The company has focused on margin expansion with a gross margin improvement of 130 basis points. Their adjusted EBITDA also saw a 15% increase, reaching $533 million, which indicates strong operational execution.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Ingersoll Rand operates through two main segments. Can you tell us about their performance this quarter?
Sure. The Industrial Technologies and Services segment reported revenues of $1.467 billion, a 3% increase. Meanwhile, the Precision and Science Technologies segment saw a remarkable 27% rise in revenue, reaching $394 million. This growth is largely attributed to their strategic acquisitions and demand generation activities.
Speaking of acquisitions, how is Ingersoll Rand leveraging M&A to drive growth?
Ingersoll Rand invested $15 million in M&A this quarter, acquiring companies like Air Power Systems and Blue Tech. These acquisitions are aimed at expanding their market presence and enhancing their product offerings, particularly in high-growth, sustainable markets.
Financial position and cash flow. Let's talk about their financial position. How is Ingersoll Rand managing its cash flow and liquidity?
Ingersoll Rand reported an operating cash flow of $404 million and a free cash flow of $374 million, which is a 2% increase from last year. Their liquidity remains strong at $4.0 billion, including $1.4 billion in cash and undrawn credit facilities. This robust cash flow allows them to invest in growth opportunities and return value to shareholders.
That's reassuring for investors. How does their debt situation look?
Their net debt to adjusted EBITDA leverage is at 1.7x, which is manageable. The increase from last year is primarily due to the acquisition of ILC Dover, but their strong cash flow generation supports this leverage.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Ingersoll Rand provided for the rest of 2024?
The company has set a revenue growth guidance range of 5 to 7% for the full year. They expect adjusted EPS to be between 28 and 3.34 cents, reflecting an 11% increase over the prior year. CEO Vicente Reynal emphasized their commitment to M&A and innovation to drive sustainable, long-term value.
It seems like they have a solid plan in place. What are the key risks they might face?
While the outlook is positive, they do face risks such as competitive pressures and potential economic downturns. However, their strategic focus on high-growth markets and operational excellence should help mitigate these risks.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Ingersoll Rand has delivered a strong third quarter with impressive revenue and profitability growth. Their strategic initiatives and robust financial position make them a compelling investment prospect. John, thank you for your insights.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Ingersoll Rand's performance. They are certainly a company to watch in the coming quarters.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ingersoll Rand's performance in the comments below. Until next time.